So here's another DIY video slash crafting video slash art video slash, video. I'm showing you how I built my plant stand. I finally bought some plants, and for whatever reason I just had to record this because they put the screwdriver in the glove. That's crazy. I always have been a huge admirer of plants. My mom always had a windowsill full of plants when I was younger, so I finally decided to get some for my own, especially to purify the air in my apartment. Okay, so I just finished putting together my plant stand. I'm still sitting on the floor, but I'm going to repot this ficus, aka rubber plant, because I still have it in the original container, and I basically just got this tin plant pot from Dollar Tree for $1 and stuffed some aluminum foil at the bottom to make it fit more higher. And if you look at it like this, you can't really tell as much that it's like not supposed to fit in there. But I got some terracotta plant pot and it comes with a base. So I'm going to put this rubber plant in here, and I'll also have an English ivy that I will also be putting in this because the plant pot set came with a pack of 6, so I have a lot to work with and only 3 plants right now. The third plant is a little bit bigger. I have this, I think this is, what does it say? 48-inch moss pole to fit in this plant. So I'm going to stick this moss pole in my bigger plant. That plant is already potted in a pot that is big enough for it. Okay, so I am officially done now. This is a little work area I was working in right in front of my hammock. And this is right by our window. And I just put the plant stand here. And this is the moss pole that I ordered, and it also came with some twine that I used to reinforce the plant to the pole, if you can see that. It kind of blends in a little bit. And then my mom bought me this plant, so she also bought this like wired plant hook, and I kind of reinforced the plant to the actual plant stand with this, and tie some twine from the moss to the stand so that in case the stand like is wobbly, it won't fall off as quickly. And then also the stand came with these adhesives so it doesn't slide off. So I put one there, and then I put 2 here for this plant that I planted in here. And this is my rubber plant. I also got this cool little watering pot. My extra pots I have down here, some artwork, and my mixture of neem and plant oil in a spray bottle, which is what I spray on all of my plants that I bring home now to keep away bugs. I spray it on, let it sit for a little while, and then I wipe it off. As you can see, I did it on all of these plants because they are super shiny on the front and back. It definitely does keep away any kind of bugs. So yeah, this is my plant stand. I went back to Home Depot later and got this cactus. And this is just a cactus with I found out, a decorative flower on top. It's not even a real flower. I wish I didn't get it, but it's a cactus. Cactuses allegedly or factually help with radiation in your home, and the rest of the plants that I have also help with radiation, better air quality. There are also plants that don't take a lot of sunlight. They could be in cloudy weather or in direct sunlight. They don't really take a lot of water. So if anyone is looking for any type of plants that are very low maintenance, you can buy these cactuses, you can buy devil's ivy, what's the other one, a snake plant. Also, rubber plants are very low maintenance and don't take a lot of sunlight. So I'm giving you guys an update on the plants and the stand. So this plant right here is growing pretty well. I did have to cut off about 3 leaves to turn yellow, and I also had to move the entire stand closer to the window just to try to see if the plants themselves will get more sunlight. But as you can see, like, the leaves are still this nice green color. None of them are turning yellow except for this one on the devil's ivy and maybe like a smaller one. But I came home today and 2 leaves were just dead right here. So they fell off from this stem. I don't know how. I did add cinnamon to this plant the other day on top, and then like a oatmeal and tea mixture that's supposed to help the plant thrive and grow more. I added that mixture to this plant and this plant, plus the cinnamon to both of these. I didn't really add the cinnamon to the cactuses or the snake plants because they'll grow on their own, and I feel like they're pretty much stronger than the other plants that I did add the cinnamon and oatmeal mixture to. But as far as I know, it's working pretty well. I don't see a drastic change. And then since I moved the plants closer to the window, this will also keep the bugs away, even though I don't really have a problem with bugs at the moment. After I sprayed them with neem oil, I definitely haven't had any problems with bugs, but I added the cinnamon just in case. And the update on all of the new plants that I got. Just a few, not really a lot. I plan to maybe go back to the store and get like a hanging plant that I could put in this area. I don't know yet, but we'll see.